Welcome to the Westport Library tutorial on ValueLine. ValueLine is a stock analysis tool. It provides research, reports, and rankings for informed investment decisions. It is accessible both in the library and at home through the library website. Upon logging in, you are greeted with the dashboard. The dashboard provides market updates, commentaries, news analysis, and quick links. The quick links are where you will find content from the print edition. Each link offers a PDF copy of the current edition's respective section. You can peruse it just like you would the print version. The ValueLine Investment Survey and small and mid-cap rankings and changes can also be viewed in interactive pages from the quick links. You can also browse for specific stocks using the search bar at the top of each page. Searching for a stock will take you to a page with all of ValueLine's scoring, as well as other relevant data. The PDF Reports link provides print edition summaries of ValueLine's quarterly reports for each stock. At the top of each page are links to additional content, including research, market analysis, investment ideas, and education. Browse Research directs you to the List Universe page, featuring your recently searched stocks, predefined stock screens, featured lists, and the Coverage Universe, which are companies ValueLine covers in depth. The Markets link contains daily market updates and an economic calendar of events. The Find Ideas page offers a stock screening tool. The preset screeners are the easiest to get started with. These are created by ValueLine using their own predetermined criteria. You can also create your own using the criteria options from the drop-down menus. For example, selecting market cap and then choosing a range between 1 trillion and 3 trillion will filter the list down to only stocks within that market cap range. You could then add additional filters and further screen your results. Clicking any of the screener results will take you to the full report of the stock. Finally, under the Investment Education tab, you can access articles, a glossary, and a tools guide. The banner at the top of the page provides quick links to these resources, as well as additional instructional videos. And that's all you need to start browsing ValueLine. If you need additional assistance, help is available at the Westport Library or by emailing our reference department at ref@westportlibrary.org.